Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot Marketing Hub to track leads end-to-end, full guide step-by-step clearly. Begin by creating a HubSpot account if you don't already have one. Visit the HubSpot website and click on the Get Started for Free button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketing section in the main dashboard. Select Marketing Hub from the drop-down menu. Explore the features available in Marketing Hub to understand what you will be using. Next, set up your tracking settings. Go to Reports and then Tracking URL Builder. Here, you can create tracking URLs for your campaign. Fill in the required fields including the campaign source, medium, and name. Generate the tracking URL and save it for later use. Now, integrate your website with HubSpot to start tracking leads. If you activate the plugin and connect your HubSpot account. For custom websites, add the HubSpot tracking code to your website header. Return to your HubSpot dashboard and navigate to Forms. Create a new form to capture leads. Choose the type of form that fits your needs. Customize the fields to collect information relevant to your leads. Embed this form on your website or share it through social media channels. Next, set up email tracking to follow up with leads. Go to Conversations and select Inbox. Integrate your email account with HubSpot for seamless communication. Set up pipelines to manage your leads efficiently. Navigate to Sales and select Pipelines. Create a new pipeline based on your define the stages to track leads as they progress. Finally, review and analyze your data. Go to Reports and explore the Analytics dashboard. Assess performance metrics to refine your marketing strategies. With these steps, you are now equipped to track leads end-to-end using HubSpot Marketing Hub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.